Right, so why have we been making so many burnout videos lately? Because I've been waiting for this. They were made before, obviously, and figured I'd wait for this to come before I make any more like Need for Speed and stuff, because hopefully it'll look a little bit better. Let's open it up. Figured we'd have a quick look inside and whatnot while we were here. We've got all this stuff. There's some like stuff in here if it ever comes out. It's like just setting it up and whatnot. We've got an Xbox Live code for 14 days, I'll give that to Ted, and the Game Pass, which I'll use for play Sea of Thieves tonight, seeing as that's coming out. So let's pull the console out. Look at this high quality unboxing right here. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm using Ted's homemade head cam. So no idea if it'll work. But, there's our Xbox One X that we've got. Apparently it's the most powerful console you can buy at the moment, but knowing my luck, next week they'll go, oh, there's a new one. That's about it really. There's another box, just with your controller and whatnot. And some batteries. That looks really weird compared to the other one. Hold on. So that's the old controller with the old part or what have you. Don't know, the button just looks cheaper. Don't know if it is. Who knows? But it's got the 3.5mm headphone slot on it. It's a newer one. We've got HDMI cable, and there's just some leaflets and whatnot. And that's our power plug by the looks of it. So it doesn't use a big power brick like the Xbox 360, and I think the Xbox One's got one as well down there. Don't know. But yeah, it's not using a big power brick like they used to, built into the console now I think. But yeah, that's our quick little look at it. Just because I've not really got any other videos planned for today. Sort of, hopefully we'll get making some videos now. We'll make some more Need for Speed, Payback and whatnot. Sea of Thieves, obviously I've got that Games Pass thing or whatnot, so we'll check that out. I'll play it with Ted. That's coming out tonight, so that's my plan. And that's about it. We'll check out some games with it. Check out Forza and whatnot. So Ted bought my old one, and he's bought my old wheel, so yeah, that's like my little upgrade, thanks to him. Right, let's have a quick look around all the ports on it. So on the front we have the disc eject, there's an infrared, that's to connect your controllers and whatnot. You have a USB port on the front, which the old one's got it on the side there. I'm sure they had more, but I can't remember. There's an out on that side, there's a little hole, no idea what it does. That just says hello from Seattle or whatever. And then you've got your power, HDMI out, which goes to your TV, HDMI in, which is for using like a TV box with it, you know, like they advertised the Xbox One originally, trying to sell all that like NFL stuff. You got two USB cables, infrared, SPDIF, which is like some sound through fibre kind of thing, and then last of all you got an Ethernet cable port. So there you go, that's all your little buttons on it. Don't feel that, feel alright, feel a little bit cheap, Ted said. That's an actual button now, the on button. You used to be able to just like swipe it like that, but now you actually have to press it, which is a good idea because my other one just switches on its own sometimes when you get too close. Right, and this is quickly what it looks like compared to the old Xbox One. It's smaller that way, a little. Don't know how much louder it'll be, we'll have to see. There's a 360 there as well. And one problem I had, well, not really a problem, but a little bit of a niggle, a little bit of an issue. There's a bit of a pain putting this power cable in there that's proper solidly in there now, and I really have to, like, you can't, you know, like push it in, you have to like wobble it in, if that makes sense. But then once it's in there, it feels proper secure. But yeah, it's not like the PS4, it just like slides right in. But yeah, that's it. I think that's it for my little unboxing. Probably not the best unboxing in the world out, but there we go. Alright, I'll play Sea of Thieves or whatever tonight. Now the one thing is, I can't record in 4K, even though this does 4K. So I don't have a 4K recording box, but what I can do is if you use it in the 1080p mode, it'll basically super sample it. So it'll like render it and then render it smaller and whatnot, and it'll basically have improved like anti-aliasing and stuff like that. And the quality will be a little bit better than just a normal Xbox. And I'll see you some other time. That's our plan. So that's it. Bye.